the highest bar in New York City. I'm just gonna say that.
Panic attack.
Your ears kind of pop.
Panic attack.
When you go, shh, don't panic.
You're getting claustrophobic.
Shh, baby. Still going up, 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 up. Now we see the light. The light of, ooh, Empire State Building.
I'm afraid of heights.
All right, let's go.
It's dark.
Now we're doing Flatiron Building and Starbucks.
Flatiron.
Yes, and I have my new short hair today. It's the first day. There's the sign. Madison Square Park. Smile.
That's right. You're mine.
This is one of our favorite songs.
You're mine. Hydrangea party.
It's a hydrangea party. There's hydrangeas everywhere, and there's haystacks. You just hang out and dance. Yeah, baby.
Start with the white side, facing up.
Looks like we're gonna be here for a while. 2 hours later, still working on it. There it is. There it is. The purple swan. Get me. Ow. Boom.
Made it?
Yeah.
Quarter of the way.
We're almost in Brooklyn. What are you doing, bro?
This guy behind me.
What are you doing?
We're
gonna go do some smorgasbord.
Let's go.
Let's go to my city, alright? It's called Brooklyn. I'm about to get a haircut. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'll cut your hair. Hi guys, where are you?
Oh my gosh,
You guys
amazing.
getting a haircut or something?
A haircut? What does that mean? What is a haircut for?
You gotta get a nice fade. You gotta go to my boy Joey Two Toes. He's got 2 toes.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
He's talking like this all day.
Oh,
There's something from Brooklyn. What do you want? What do you want from me, Dollface?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Oh, we're still in my city. In Dumbo.
We're going to the smorgasbord.
The what?
Smorgasbord.
The smorgasbord.
I'm so excited. I always wanted to go when I lived in New York and I've never been, and we're going to the smorgasbord.
Smorgasbord.
We're gonna eat a lot of food.
Oh boy, she's happy. Smorgasbord
I thought it was smorgasbord. But it's smorgasbord. Adventures. Look at this view though. Like,
check out this view, girl.
This is the best view ever.
Check out this view, girl.
The best view. I look so much bigger than you right now. There you go. Lego. Starbucks is magical. Take it all in. Gay Pride Day, Parade Day, and of course we always end up in this part of town at this time.
We do.
Every time when we're in New York, we just happen to be here on the Gay Parade Day. Rainbows everywhere. We're walking away from it all though. We didn't get to go into the heart of it because we're going to a soccer game.
Going to the soccer game.
The soccer game.
Live Stadium.
We're so excited.
Owner's box. Gonna meet President FIFA.
Like crazy, crazy.
Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Copa Americana at the MetLife Stadium.
Yeah. We're excited.
Sitting in the owner's box.
Yeah. It was a little bit of a panic trying to get over here. Mostly my fault because I'm a girl and I took too long to get ready. Yeah.
Love is patient.
Yes.
Love is kind.
Yes. He's so good. Yeah. This is
Exactly.
Hello, I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Daniel.
Hi.
Pleasure.
Yeah! We are heading out to shoot and we're both matching in white, which means we're cool. That's a wrap. Bam. All done.
We out.
We out. Going on a boat to Hoboken.
Hoboken.
Hoboken. And I got my selfie stick so we can do better videos. Let's do this. We're going jet skiing.
We're going jet skiing.
In New York. What? We're having way too many fun adventures.
This is crazy.
This is too much. You shouldn't have so much fun in like 5 days.
We are blessed.
Oh, God is good. All right, last few moments. Last few moments before we go. We're about to get on the jet skis. Very choppy out there, very windy. They can't take the camera, so just have to imagine it. We are completely soaking wet and we just got out of the water. Literally, I feel like I took a shower in the Hudson River. And now we're rushing to get to a Broadway show, looking like this. You guys, this food is so good. I love this place. We love it.
In this episode of Eating with Nia, oh yeah, right to the vein.
Yeah, put a little bit of powdered sugar. Or a lot of powdered sugar. And then serve. Perfect French toast. It's called fat, fluffy French toast. Nia, almost the same thing. Practically. That's really cool. Look at this. Look at this. That's me. USA. We did this on the wall in Miami when I competed for Miss Universe.
Wow.
But like majorly big. We took a picture of all of it and crushed it all together.
You used to be there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. She's so bad she don't even wear her crown.
Kaylee, and it's not Kaylee.
It's Catherine.
I know it's Catherine. But my team, Kaylee, had a piece of broccoli in her teeth.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, they edited it out.
And they didn't edit it out.
No.
It was up there.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah. What's he doing? It's hot. We're sweating. The sun is out.
It's sticky.
It's humid today. Like that building. Can't even see the top of it. Our final meal of New York City. Getting tight. Our final meal in New York City. We're so tired. But this is my favorite pizza in New York, so we had to have pizza. We're doing pizza and wine on this gorgeous rooftop. So it's the perfect way to end New York. And I didn't want to go out to like into the city because it's kind of hot and humid and muggy and cold all at the same time, if that's possible. So it's nice to just chill at the rooftop. Oh yeah. Have to have the ranch. Leaving New York. Cheers.
Leaving New York. Flight was delayed. We gotta keep ourselves busy. We like some Reese's Pieces after your salty extravaganza.
Yeah. Hey, backwash.
That is so cool.
Thank you for waiting. City Advantage Executive Card members. Passengers that have Group 1, please use the priority lane.
Just a little.